I absolutely love feta cheese, and this recipe is no exception. Today, I'm showing you how to make a spicy marinated feta. This is a really easy recipe that you can throw together in just minutes and serve it for a get-together or happy hour. I love eating this marinated feta along with some pita or throwing it on a charcuterie board with other accoutrements. It's a delicious recipe that I can't wait for you to try. Don't forget to subscribe for even more appetizer recipes coming soon. To make this recipe, you'll first need 8 ounces of feta cheese in the block form. If you can find feta stored in the brine, that's even better. It will add the most flavor to this dish. Add that to a container along with 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Then we want some acid into this dish, so we are using 2 lemons, both the zest and the juice. For another layer of flavor, we're coming behind this with some fresh herbs. We're using both fresh thyme as well as fresh parsley. For the parsley, you'll want to cut it up into little pieces. This is a technique called chiffonade. You just roll the herbs together and then slice them. Now, once that's added to your container, we're pretty much done. This only takes 10 minutes of prep time. Close the container up and place a label with the date and time that you put it into the fridge. This dish will need to marinate for 24 to 48 hours in the fridge so it can soak up all that delicious flavor. I like to put the sticker on there as a reminder, especially around the holidays when your brain is just a mess. That way you know when you placed it in the refrigerator. To serve this dish, simply slice up the feta cheese into thin little pieces, place it on a serving tray, and then I like to drizzle all of the olive oil herby mixture on top for a beautiful presentation. Serve this with toasted pita or your favorite crackers, or even on a charcuterie board. It's delicious no matter which way you choose. The full recipe, along with tips and tricks, will be linked in the description below.